Start by installing Selenium. Next, import the necessary packages: WebDriver, by, keys, WebDriver weight, and expected conditions from Selenium. Also, import sleep from time and JSON. After importing the packages, launch the Selenium browser using the WebDriver method. Then, use get to navigate to Zepto's search results page. To get results for a particular location, you need to enter a PIN. Open the Inspect panel and get the area label of the Select Location button. Use this with the Find Element method to select the button and click on it using the click method. Clicking the button will open a dialog box where you can enter the PIN. Inspect the input box and get its placeholder. Use this to select the input box, then use Send keys to enter the PIN. Entering the PIN will list several locations. Inspect the first one and get the Data Tested attribute. Like we did earlier, use the Find element and click methods to select and click the location, which will prompt you to confirm the location. Get the Confirm button's area label to select it. However, since the Confirm button takes some time to load, check its presence using the WebDriver weight and expected conditions modules before selecting it. Once it's ready, use the click method to click on it. Clicking the button will take you to the search results page, but not all products will be visible right away, as Zepto uses lazy loading. Use a loop to scroll 5 times by simulating the End key. Next, extract the products. The product listings are anchor tags with the string add. Use Find elements to extract the product listings as a list of Selenium elements. Then, iterate through the list and extract the product details. To extract the details, split the text at new line characters to create an array and use the correct indices. Print all the arrays first to identify the correct indices. You may also need to adjust the indices depending on whether the product is premium or has a discount before saving the details in a dictionary. Finally, save the extracted data to a JSON file using the JSON module.